Eggless Wholewheat Apple Cinnamon Cake is super delicious and flavorful cake recipe which has been tried and tested many times. You can enjoy this cake as a dessert after or as a tea time snack. In a non-stick pan on low flame, add an apple grated and sugar and cook till all the sugar melt and a nice thick sauce consistency mixture. Once done, let it cool. In a separate bowl, sieve together flour, cinnamon powder, baking soda and pinch of salt. Sieve at least 3 times as this is an eggless preparation. This will aerate the flour. I have made this cake several times and every time it just comes out so good. Not only me, this cake recipe has been tried and loved by so many of my friends. If you are a kind of person who loves light cakes, this whole wheat apple cinnamon cake is the one you should definitely give a try. It is so easy, quick, healthy and above all has an amazing taste. In a separate bowl, add applesauce and oil. Whisk them well till a homogeneous mixture is formed. Once done, add half cup of milk and whisk. This cake is eggless, no all-purpose flour. Can be made vegan. Use coconut milk instead of milk. And now add flour. Mix it well many times. You don't need an electric mixer. Hands will work fine too. Ensure the batter is neither too thick nor too runny. Here I have added water cause my batter is a little thick. You can also add chopped nuts, fresh chopped apples if you wish. Pour the batter into a greased and flour dusted baking pan and set it properly. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Once done, let it cool a little, then loosen the edges and take it over from baking pan. Place it on a cooling rack and let it cool completely. Cut in a desired shape and serve. Don't forget to share and subscribe to get friendly family recipe in your inbox. Thank you.